Well, it's a beautiful sunny day. Here we are standing outside a chapel in Connors Quay. Thank you for taking part. I wonder if you would give us your name and where you're from, please.
My name is Anna. I'm happy to see you. I'm from Ukraine originally, and I'm here the fourth year. Nearly 4 years I am here with my children, and I came here because of the war. I had to save my children from the war, and then thank you, Welsh government. He had this program, Homes for Ukraine, for us. So we came with my children, and we are safe here. And I live in Hawarden. It's 10 minutes away from here. And I'm here today at this lovely chapel to have some help with food. And I'm very grateful for this help, because it's in nowadays with the children, it's really
very
helpful.
Expensive.
Yes, and the food is expensive, so even little help. Also, I like this place, because it's like the special environment. It's a special community, and when you are sad or depressed, which happening many times with me during the year, you can go here, and then you can talk to the people. And I know lovely people, and they can always give you some piece little of advice, or just listen to you, or encourage, or maybe answer your questions. So I'm really grateful to have this community here and to be able to visit sometimes.
So it's Keystone Chapel. On a Friday there's a food pantry, there's a coffee morning, and there's a buzz. There are people in and out all the time. So it sounds like you gain a lot from the community, as well as being able to buy affordable food.
Yes,
I guess.
Yes, of course, and not only food, also the friendship, the communication, which is, I would say, social part of the human being. It's very important. So.
And you found a welcome here, Anna?
Yes, it's very friendly people, and they're very welcome, and we had a lovely chat every time I'm coming here. Yeah, I really enjoyed having them as my friends.
You know, you're from Ukraine, and Ukraine has been in the news for as long as you've been in Wales, I guess, Anna. And I guess every time you hear references made to Ukraine or what's happening there, it must affect you emotionally.
Yes, emotionally it's affects me all the time, so I cannot just cross half of my life, which is behind my back. And I have parents, I have sister, I have everyone left in Ukraine, and we are always on call with them, and every morning I'm looking for the news, and every second morning the news are awful, and I just cannot be calm, so I have to go and talk to people, and this is what helps me a lot.
So this place is essential for you.
Yes,
it's a really important
and exactly
place.
The church, the connection with God. With God.
With God as well. So there's a spiritual dimension in all of this.
I would say spiritual inspiration. Exactly, is this place.
Okay, and so you have. It sounds like you came over here with. Did you say 2 children? Or?
Yeah.
Right, and they've settled here, and
they've settled better than me. Honestly, they don't remember. So exactly, a little one. He was 7. Now he doesn't remember a lot. And the second my child he was 9. So we came. They were like not so taller than me, but now I have to lift my head up to talk to my eldest son, and they are 14 and 12, and they are growing teenager, and the food helps that
of course it does.
It's
they
really,
need a lot of
helpful.
So I guess they're learning Welsh.
Yes, they're learning
school?
Welsh. Yes, they will be top 3 language. Honestly,
amazing.
They will be speaking different language.
So you speak Ukrainian at home?
Yes, we speak Ukrainian, we speak English, and they speak Welsh now.
Speak Welsh at school.
So, and he's learning Italian. So it's a multinational
That's
family.
fantastic. Yeah. Well, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.